Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off battery saver in our Tecno mobile. When you want to off your battery saver, so guys how can you off it? In this video I will show you, and guys you don't know guys how to off battery saver, so guys you can off to watch my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your battery saver. So we will on guys our phone setting to off battery saver, then guys again scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So friends, you can see guys your phone battery lab settings. So friends, tap here, and guys you can see your advanced setting. Friends, tap here. So guys you can see guys your battery setting guys you can use from here, and guys last one guys you can see battery saver is on, but guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So guys your battery saver will off in your Tecno phone. So like that guys you can off your battery saver in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.